Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Honeywell HWF2ACOM LTEIP Digital Cellular Fire Honeywell Fire Alarm System Commercial Review. Honeywell Fire Alarm System commercial solutions have become an essential backbone for modern building safety infrastructure, and the Honeywell HWF2ACOM LTEIP Digital Cellular Fire Alarm Communicator and Internet Panel stands out as one of the most dependable communication modules available in 2026. Check the video description for the updated price link. Designed for commercial-grade fire safety networks, this communicator ensures that alarm signals are transmitted reliably through multiple redundant channels, reducing the risk of missed alerts during emergencies. In large-scale facilities such as warehouses, office complexes, hospitals, and industrial environments, communication failure can lead to catastrophic consequences. This device addresses that issue by combining LTE cellular connectivity with IP-based internet reporting, creating a dual-path system that maintains constant uptime. What makes this system particularly valuable is its ability to integrate seamlessly into existing Honeywell fire alarm infrastructures. It is engineered for professionals who need dependable alarm transmission without complicated configuration processes. Whether you're upgrading an older panel or installing a new commercial fire safety system, this communicator offers a modernized, future-ready solution. The Honeywell HWF2ACOM is packed with professional-grade features designed to meet strict commercial fire safety standards. Its LTE and IP dual-path communication system ensures redundancy, which is critical in emergency alert scenarios. If one channel fails, the system automatically switches to the other, ensuring uninterrupted signal transmission. Another standout feature is its daily connection testing system. This automated diagnostic routine ensures both LTE and Internet paths remain fully operational at all times. Facility managers can rely on consistent system health without manual intervention, reducing maintenance workload and improving safety assurance. The device also includes a 3-selectable reporting path configuration, allowing users to customize how alerts are transmitted based on building requirements. This flexibility makes it suitable for different types of commercial environments, from small business buildings to large industrial facilities. In addition, the standalone power supply ensures continued operation even during power disruptions. Combined with Honeywell's robust hardware design, this communicator is engineered for high durability in demanding environments where system reliability is non-negotiable. When evaluating fire alarm communicators, performance is measured by reliability under stress. The Honeywell HWF2ACOM excels in maintaining stable communication even in challenging network conditions. LTE connectivity ensures strong signal transmission in urban and semi-urban environments, while IP connectivity offers high-speed data routing when internet infrastructure is stable. In real-world deployments, this device is frequently used in commercial buildings where uninterrupted monitoring is required 24/7. It is especially valuable in environments where traditional phone line communicators are no longer viable due to modernization of telecom infrastructure. The system's automated reporting verification adds another layer of reliability. By continuously testing connectivity pathways, it minimizes the risk of unnoticed communication failure. This proactive approach significantly enhances safety compliance in regulated industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and retail infrastructure. For integrators working on broader safety systems, such as Honeywell Fire Alarm System commercial installations, this communicator offers a stable backbone that ensures alarm signals are transmitted instantly and accurately. Check the link in the description to get yours today.